We know that little kids suck up languages like sponges, and we want kids in our community to live and breathe Israel and to feel Hebrew is something that is part of their lives.
That's the magic of this program, when they're connecting with our Banot Shirut and talking to them during snack, at recess. They don't realize that this is explicit instruction and it's the best way to integrate themselves and absorb a language. They look up to them as big sisters. So when you can pair an emotional connection with learning, it's even more magical and it really brings our Hebrew immersion curriculum to life.
ואחד מהדברים שבאתי לפה זה באמת להשפיע על הילד, ללמד אותו עברית, שבאמת הוא יכיר קצת יותר את השפה, וכשאתה נמצא בכיתה אתה באמת יכול לראות את זה באופן מיידי.
We're in our second year of our pilot project with our Banot Shirut, and it has been a fabulous experience. The girls have joined us and added so much to the culture and vibrancy of our Jewish community here.
התפקיד שלנו בכיתה זה ממש להוות מורה שמדברת רק בעברית עם הילדים, לעזור לתלמידים שקשה להם, לעבוד איתם על עברית.
הילדים לאט לאט יודעים טוב יותר את השפה העברית, אם זה להתחיל ממילה מסוימת למשפט שלם, גם בסופו של דבר לחבר את היהודים שמחוץ לארץ ישראל לארץ ישראל. The Banot Shirut really have become part of our community. It's not just about how they relate to the community, they are our community. They feel like mishpacha. When you see the kids come up to them in the hallway and embrace them, they so look forward to seeing them, and you can almost in a tangible way see that connection that they formed with them.
What we've seen is that kids are learning Hebrew. And the remarkable thing is that when kids are exposed to Hebrew immersion and both hear Hebrew and speak Hebrew, their level of Hebrew grows in remarkable ways. And we've seen that by having Banot Shirut in our community, they're able to interact with many people in our community and bring a sense of Israel and Hebrew across the board in our community.